How to find Motel 6 debit card authorization and incidental hold info. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As it's written in the article of the Motel 6 page, if the guest is using a bank card or debit card, the card may be authorized for the amount of the stay plus incidentals, and those funds may not be released for up to 2 weeks depending on individual bank policies. Also, Motel 6 is not responsible for any overdraft fees incurred. Motel 6 does not accept prepay voucher reservation. In addition, Motel 6 does not accept money orders or cashier checks as a form of payment as well. This is how to find Motel 6 debit card authorization and incidental hold info. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.